Hey guys, welcome to Chaotic Pace Expressions. So, this is the reason why I am not being able to keep up with my paintings on a regular basis. My boys have been after me that I need to be posting my videos regularly, and well, as you can see, this is my backyard. We're blessed to have such a beautiful backyard, and it's been such beautiful weather here in Michigan. So even though we're not going out too much and things are closed off a lot and there's very limited places we can take the kids, at least we have this, and at least I can come and sit out on the balcony, and it's just so relaxing. But they're right. I need to stay disciplined, and I'm trying to. And once I get up into the studio, I really do enjoy the painting, and that's just another whole peaceful place and activity for me. And one of the most relaxing and most satisfying pours are open cup pours. I can just watch open cup pours and flip cup pour videos over and over, and I just, in my head, I'm always going over what kind of colors can I just do and stuff. And so anyhow, in today's video, I did a 3-color open cup pour, and it was Saturday night, and we had chocolate fudge sundaes, and they were from McDonald's. And the McDonald's cap, I looked at it and I'm like, yo, that looks like the cap looks like something I could do an open cup pour in, so let me try it with that. So I used metallic Liquitex, I believe it's Liquitex metallic blue and green, and I used the Treasure gold color to do this open cup pour, and I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. Please subscribe and comment and let me know how you are liking my videos. Give me ideas of how I can make things better. I'm really open to any suggestions. I'm loving this, and I would love you guys to participate as well and let me know and contribute. And please like my video and press that icon button, and please subscribe, and please, everybody, keep safe.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. But when the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. I'll be around all